how to install snap camera filter for Zoom cloud meeting. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can install snap cam filter for Zoom cloud meeting. Okay, so guys, if you want to know how we have to download it, okay, then guys you must watch this video. But guys, before starting the video, okay, before starting the video, there is there is very important notice for you guys. If you want to install that snap camera on your Android, okay, you can install, but guys it is not going to work on Android. Okay, if you have a MacBook or if you have a Windows, then only guys it's going to work on your device. Okay, so in Android it's not going to work. So if you are Android user and if you want to use snapcam, then guys don't waste your time. Okay, I'm just telling you, otherwise at the end of the video you will say that you are just spamming. Okay, so guys I'm going to show you the exact way to install the snap cam filter, okay, for your Zoom cloud meeting. So just watch the video, and guys if you want to get some knowledge you can also watch this video. Okay, there is no problem. So guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial, and then guys let's open up the Chrome browser. Okay, so guys you need Chrome browser. Okay, without Chrome browser you don't install, just use the Chrome browser, and here you have to type snap camera. Okay, just type snap camera, 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 Snapchat. Okay, so now you have to go for search. So after it you will face this kind of interface. So the first option you have to click here. Okay, snap camera, Snapchat. So just click here, and then guys you can see the download option. Okay, so first you can see here introducing Snapchat camera. Okay, snap camera bring the magic of lenses to your live streams and video chats on PC and Mac. Okay, so this can be used in any kind of video chats, okay, in PC and Mac. So as I have said, so now you have to click on the download. So just click on download, and after that guys, this is the system requirements. Okay, if you don't have this requirement on your device, whether it is PC, MacBook, laptop, anything, then guys you cannot use it. Okay, so it's saying operating system Windows 10 or newer, Mac OS 10.13 or newer. Okay, so hardware minimum of Intel Core i3, okay, generation 3 unit, so 2.5 gigahertz, or AMD FX for 3002.6 gigahertz with 4 GB RAM. Okay, so these are the hardware requirements you need. And guys, if you have Intel HD graphics 4000, then guys it will be very much good. Okay, so let's see how to download. So first see all your requirements, and then guys download it. Okay, so to download you have to click here, I agreed. Okay, and then give your email here. So let's give my email, and then guys click on I'm not a robot, and after that you will see the download option. Okay, whether for PC or for Mac. Okay, MacBook, PC, so whichever you want you can install it from here. Okay, so I'm also using the Android phone, so this not going to I'm not going to use, okay, because it's not going to work in Android. So if you have a MacBook, install it. If you have a PC, install it. Okay, no problem for that. But if you have Android, don't install, don't waste your MB. Okay, it's not going to work. So if you have PC or Mac, install it, and you can enjoy the lenses, filters while you are in a video call. Okay, so guys, for Zoom also you can use it. Okay, and for any video call, for any video calling feature you can put lenses. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.